Hey Quizzy friends, welcome back in Quizdos. Think you're smarter than 99% of people? I'm about to prove you're not. Question 73 has stumped millions, and it'll get you too. These 100 brutal questions are so tough, only 1 in 100 score above 75. Think you're the exception? Grab a pen and let's separate the truly intelligent from everyone else. Smash that like button, subscribe for more brain crushers, and let's see if you can handle this. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? It's the bat. Which gas makes up approximately 78% of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen gas. What is the smallest unit of matter? Atom. Which ancient wonder of the world was located in Alexandria? Lighthouse of Alexandria. What does www stand for in a website address? World Wide Web. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? It's a diamond. Which planet has the most moons in our solar system? Saturn has 274 confirmed moons in its orbit. What is the currency of Switzerland? Swiss franc. Which blood type is known as the universal recipient? AB positive. What is the longest river in Europe? Volga River. Which element has the chemical symbol Au? Gold. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. How many hearts does an octopus have? Of course, the octopus has 3 hearts. Which war was fought between 1914 and 1918? World War I. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Which country has the most natural lakes? Finland. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What is the deepest ocean trench? Mariana Trench. Which vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the largest mammal in the world? It's the blue whale. Which city is known as the Eternal City? Rome. How many chambers does a human heart have? 3. What is the chemical formula for water? H2O. Which continent has the most countries? Asia. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? $299,792,458 meters per second. Which empire was ruled by Julius Caesar? Roman Empire. What is the largest desert in the world? Antarctica. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. What is the capital of Canada? Toronto. How many bones are in an adult human body? 206. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific Ocean. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury again. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which country invented the printing press? Germany. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. Which mountain range contains Mount Everest? Himalayas. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Chemical symbol for iron, Fe. Which organ filters blood in the human body? Liver. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. Which scientist is famous for the laws of motion? Isaac Newton. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? Both A and B, 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Which country has the longest coastline? Canada. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which planet is closest to Earth? Venus. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. How many strings does a standard guitar have? Six. Which element is essential for human bones and teeth? Calcium. What is the largest volcano in the world? Mauna Loa. Which war ended in 1945? World War II. What is the most spoken language in the world? Mandarin Chinese. Which organ produces bile? Liver. What is the deepest part of the ocean called? Abyssal zone. Which country is both in Europe and Asia? Turkey. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Chemical symbol for gold, Au. Which planet has rings made of ice and rock? Saturn. What is the largest artery in the human body? Aorta. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Inca. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? 0 degrees Celsius. Which continent is the driest? Antarctica. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Which organ controls balance in the human body? Inner ear. What is the largest lake in the world? Caspian Sea. Which scientist discovered gravity? Isaac Newton. What is the chemical formula for salt? NaCl. Which country has the most time zones? Russia. What is the strongest muscle in the human body? Jaw muscle, masseter. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. How many minutes are in a full day? 1,440. Which element has the atomic number 1? Amazon rainforest. What is the largest rainforest in the world? Amazon rainforest. Which organ stores bile? Liver. What is the highest mountain in North America? Denali? Which scientist developed the periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. What is the most common blood type? O positive?
What's your final score? Comment below and let's see who the real geniuses are. If you got above 75, congratulations, you're in the top 1%. Share this with friends to see who's actually smart. Like if this quiz humbled you, subscribe for more brutal brain tests, and catch you next time.